In 1977, the Voyager 1 probe launched into outer space, removed from the Earth at a distance of about 160 astronomical units, which means that for the past about 50 years since that time, the spacecraft only began to approach the area of the semi-legendary Oort cloud. So the knowledge of scientists about what is on the far fringes of our solar system cannot be called extensive. At the end of last year, it became known that Voyager began sending meaningless data sets to Earth. Specialists refer to failures in the flight data system. The apparatus approached the boundaries of the hypothetical region from where comets fly to the center of the solar system, and then for unknown reasons was unable to transmit data to Earth. Our modern satellites flying through this region of the solar system experience gravitational influence, which, on the one hand, can be explained by the way they fly, and on the other hand, by the influence of some cosmic body, which for various reasons has not yet been revealed to us. Scientists assume that in this part of the universe is a huge gas body, which by its gravity affects everything around, just we do not see it. To date, the farthest planet in our system is considered to be Neptune, so it is possible that in the future we will witness another planet, the ninth planet of the solar system. Planet X, itself an unknown planet, was only discovered after the orbits of Neptune and Uranus were calculated. The orbits of Neptune and Uranus didn't match the actual orbits, so astronomers decided to look for what was causing the orbits to be perturbed. In 2016, scientists from the California Technological University conducted computer modeling and could not believe their eyes. The results showed that in the far reaches of the Oort cloud can really be a planet the size of Neptune. According to calculations, its mass exceeds the Earth 10 times, but the rest of the parameters of this planet has much in common with the Earth. Astronomers have proved that beyond the orbit of Neptune there is a kind of planet that repeats the planets of Earth life. It is Earth, Venus, Mars. It has the same atmosphere, the same vegetation, water, but it's 12 times more massive than Earth. Although the undiscovered planet is very far away from the Sun, it could theoretically receive energy from other nearby planets. Perhaps this is exactly what once happened to our Earth. Jupiter and Saturn can give energy, they are energy intensive and generate energy. That is, everything in our solar system, from the Sun to Saturn and Jupiter, can give energy and influence the emergence of life. It is likely that such technologies already exist at the disposal of other, more advanced civilizations. They may be completely incomprehensible to us, Earthlings. For example, we will see a comet or an asteroid in an artificial space body, take the trace of its engine for horns and naively believe that its trajectory will obey the laws of celestial mechanics. 50 years ago, astronomers puzzled over the mystery of the comet Giacobini-Crescent. It was discovered in the She century and many times observed, passing by the Earth every 5.5 years. But one day, for some unknown reason, its brightness increased by a factor of 10,000. Some comets change their brightness. It has been hypothesized that these particular comets are not comets. These objects can simply be attributed to some phenomena that we call UFOs with intelligent life on board, or simply as some kind of cargo transports carrying life to be born on suitable planets. A change in brightness could indicate that there is some mechanism inside the comet. Perhaps it is malfunctioning, such as wires shorting out. The malfunction also affected its trajectory. If there really is a piece of equipment inside that can store and transport living organisms through space, then there are those who built it and installed it. In March 1993, the Shoemaker-Levy comet was discovered, and a year later it crashed into Jupiter. It came very close to Jupiter. Tidal forces broke it into 20 or more pieces. It made a final spin around Jupiter, and then crashed into Jupiter's atmosphere. The explosion power from the collision was 2 million megatons. The temperature rose to 24,000 degrees Celsius, and the cloud of ejected gases rose to a height of 3,000 kilometers in Jupiter's atmosphere. In 2009, the comet slammed into Jupiter again. Here is a trace of the collision. A black spot. Its real size is comparable to the Pacific Ocean, but the fall of comets event is quite rare. And Jupiter was hit literally one after another. as if someone was bombarding the planet on purpose. Maybe soon there will be life there and we'll have neighbors.